Right, in this video I'm going to give you a quick walk around of the how the PCI side skirts look. You can see them mounted here. This is the 3-inch version. There will be another video that's going to be really long of all of the installation process, but I figured that a quick walk around is what most people are looking for, just to see how it looks at different heights and angles, and not necessarily look and see the 15-minute video on how I install it. If that's what you're looking for, go ahead and check out my future videos, and I will definitely post it up once I have it all edited and everything. Check it out. Does anybody else feel like whenever you wash your car it rains immediately afterward? Because it literally started raining while I was washing my car. I didn't even wait till I was done. So anyway, I only got part way done before it started raining, but just wanted to show you what these side skirts look like from a few different angles. And that's the part that makes me the most excited, is that even though they're only 3 inches long, they actually do cover up all of the stuff that hangs down underneath my car. At least it makes it look dark, and before you could see all the way underneath. And I just thought it looked ugly, so pretty excited there. And I'll go back over to the other side here, and you can see that Type R front lip is approximately the same height as the 3-inch one, so it feels like it's got pretty good continuity. It's not like a Type R lip. Then the 4-inch one, I feel like, would look like it's really high in the front, and then on the sides it's just dropped down all the way. I feel like that would be a little bit unbalanced. And then if I were to go with a 4-inch, I definitely want to go with like a splitter or something that brought down the front end even lower, so that you get some sort of continuity, a straight line on the bottom all the way across. And then in the back, I still haven't quite figured out what to do. I'm just running the OEM mud guards, but then would like to do like the Type R valences or something else on the back to kind of tie it all in. I've just left it all black. I need to repaint the front to match that, but it's looking pretty good. Just kind of a little bit of an idea there. 4.5 on the dot. There we go. So not the lowest thing on my car, but it still covers up. You have to go all the way down here to be able to see the exhaust underneath the car. Makes me pretty excited. You can also see in the front here, I've got maybe a 1-finger gap on 15s with 50 mil thickness tires. You can see how much gap I've got. So if you were to run any lower than this, with anything larger than a 3-inch, you'd be pretty close to scraping, because like I just showed, it was at 4.5-inch clearance. So that's enough for speed bumps and whatnot. But unless you're on bags, I'd be a little concerned about going to a 4 and definitely not a 5-inch side skirt.